$33. What? Just look around. It's okay. Just don't touch, okay? Tissue. What do you want to see? Look. So cute. Tian. Look at this. So cute. The penguin. See the parrot. Just look.
I'm not touching anything.
All right, good.
I don't see the binocular.
You don't see? This is the cute penguin chair. There's a dinosaur. What's that? What do you call that?
I don't know.
Oh, this is a wild boar. Look at this. Oink, oink, oink. Wait, look at the face here. Why you're snubbing me? How much this one? There's no price.
No.
There's no price. No
Hold
price.
on. Stop, there is no prices. What items?
There's an elephant here. There's a Havaianas. Oh, how much the Havaianas here? $45. But if you are a member, you have 20% discount of that. So dito yan sa Singapore Zoo, guys. Sa loob. Daming mga ano dito. Pag member ka dito, meron kang 20% discount. Lego Jack, look at that.
They have dinosaur friends.
What's that? Giant head torch. Oh.
I've been not having those.
It's $40, really expensive. That's freaking expensive, Jack.
Actually, I don't have a
Magpaparinig. Wala na siyang ganyan. Also 45. Oh, there's no binocular? Oh, look at that Lego. It's so cool. The monkey. Display not for sale. Lego lahat yan, guys, ha? So pretty. Can you imagine paano i-assemble yan? So, ito yan siya. Magkano? How much? There's no price. Ah, 160. This one. $160. Oh, that's expensive. Buy 4, get 1 free magnets. Ooh. May mga earrings din sila dito. Yan. Magkano din tong earrings nila? There's a here. You have this, right? This is $14. May water bottle din sila. Oh, this is so cool. $35. They have.
shark's neck watch.
Yeah, it's $27. Oh my God, that's beautiful.
In a video.
Yeah, see the video how they make that. Which one? Hey, here, move here. There's a lot of things there that breakable. Mas new, ang mamahal pa naman. Don't touch, ha? Mas kaday. So expensive. Look at this ring. Here, when we go outside, the bun is there. There's an elephant. You want to go out now? But we don't take that. Come here. Not yet. You have this, right? You have the green? This is $10 each. Kitchen, so beautiful. Huh? Which one? This is $9 each.
This is for mosquitoes.
That's not for mosquito. Oh, here, there's more here. What's that? Tiger. What's that?
I don't know what these are called.
It's a watch.
Maybe I can have a different watch too.
That's hard.
Those are for mosquitoes.
We have that. This one is for mosquito. Yeah. This is a mouse clips, mosquito repellent snap bracelet. Yeah, this is for mosquito. How much? $5.
We have to buy something.
This is $5.
Are they all $9?
This is 4.
What is this?
That's for mosquito also.
What cost is this?
This is $4. No. Okay, let's go to Urban. Alright, let's go. There we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? There, go, yes. Here's the entrance of. Punta kami doon sa may shop na may van. Kasi favorite ni Brunso yun. So we will be there. Let's go get the bun. It's bun time. Hope there's still a bun. Do we need to go inside or just inside? Press please. Oh, they have! Here! So your favorite yung bun? That's not real. Where? Oh, hey, perfect.
I don't like eating the
Which one do you like?
Ellie because those are the steam ones and they always
This is Kaya.
yeah.
Frog. You eat Kaya frog.
No,
This
I
is
can't eat that because it's always hot.
all of that are hot.
Yeah.
So
I
you
don't want
just-
to buy those.
So which one?
Hot. I want to buy the cold one.
You want to buy the cold one? Which one?
I want to buy this one.
Which one? This?
I've not had the yellow one,
You
guys.
wanna try the yellow? Yeah. Can this one is cold, right?
Yeah,
He likes the cold one.
but it's not it. You have to take out.
Oh, you need the hot one, the warm jam. Anyway, we can eat it later so it become cold.
Yeah.
One only. Which one? The yellow?
I want the white.
White? Okay, which one? The panda?
The panda.
The panda.
Chocolate.
It's chocolate.
Chocolate.
Okay. Thank you. Where to pay? There, the cashier.